I know,
Revolution?
all I remember is Moonshiner. No one knows that song.
How about Revolution?
Revolution. Or Beatles songs.
You say you want a Trevolution.
Trevolution.
Sing a one chip.
Blackbird.
Blackbird. I only know a little bit of that one. Blackbird singing in the dead of night. Take these broken wings and learn to fly. Hold on, let's start again. Oh, my Blackbird singing in the dead of night. Broken wings and learn to fly. All your life you were only waiting for this moment to arrive. Take these broken eyes and learn to see.
Learn to see.
It's too dark.
New one.
All your life you were only waiting for this moment to be free.
Freebird!
I saw a show the other night and like my friend shouted it out. She was like, any requests? And someone shouted it out and she was like, shit, I thought I could go my whole tour without hearing that. This is the second to the last show.
No, my TR's roommate Paige that sings that band. It's like, it was just the worst crowd ever. And like, no one was getting, no one doing anything. And we were the only ones that were like clapping her and like shouting out to them. And like just in the middle of it, TR's just like, Freebird! And all of a sudden, like, they were just like not having a good time up there. So like, screw it, let's just do it. So they started just like, and they've never even tried it before, and they didn't know if they could do it together. And they started putting it together pretty well. And all of a sudden, the guy on the guitar, he'd only been with them for like not even a month. He just starts busting out the guitar, and like slowly everyone in the band just stops playing. He's going to town on Freebird for like 15 minutes.
Wow.
And like everyone just started going crazy for it. It was awesome.
That's awesome.
I don't think there's ever been a concert where someone hasn't had Freebird.
I know, she's like, I thought I could make it my whole tour. One more show after that and you ruined it. Well, heat blast.
Oh, sorry.
That's alright.